Hey man, you already know what time it is, man. The 85 South Show, you dig?
Yes, sir.
They here with the Don't Master.
Hey, the NDRA is the only way.
Ain't no other way.
Ain't now.
Look, because if you don't go through them, can't do it.
Yep,
Can't
ain't
do
nowhere
it.
to go. That's the only way to go. Big don't.
We slide that bitch out there. And Transformer too.
Hey boy, that thing.
I ain't want to come close to my
That thing went, yo.
Yeah, I seen it.
That thing.
I seen it from the side.
So this right here, this gonna be Hollywood action right here.
Yeah, whatever. But we better tell them we would put some clicks in the front end and fuck their ass up too. Them boys think they didn't give me too much time to work. That's what happened.
Too much time.
Yeah. They didn't give us too much time at the shop to do what the hell we need to do.
So this the new in and out.
Yeah,
That's
like I
kinda-
said on YouTube,
the
new
new
in and out, new and improved.
Okay.
That's what this shit
Okay.
is. We got something for their ass. They about to see what's going on.
Yes, sir.
We just giving them something. Every show we give them a little something. The next show, the Z06 come out. Then they really gonna get something. Then after that, we got something new for their ass. Every show, I guarantee we
hey.
get something new. We got all kind of brand new don'ts every fucking time.
Y'all heard it going
They have
down.
no clue what the hell going on.
It going down.